don't know where she came from. Kinda turned me upside down. I just don't know what to do. I wanna spend the night at hers and bring her one of my t-shirts so it smells like her perfume. Now I really get what the...
Hey!
I'm finally back!
And then we are shooting, see, what style?
Fall. Fall, of course. I love fall.
Yeah, fall is back.
It's been way too long. We're shooting again.
Yay! And then today we have the new camera.
Oh yeah, the new camera. Gonna test it out.
Yeah.
See what's better.
Yay, stay tuned everyone.
Yeah.
Fast and you're sweating and you can't stop looking at her smile. Then you've been in love. That's how you know you've been in love. There's something about the way she laughs and the way she always dances when she thinks nobody sees. And when she's gone, I miss her so. I tell her, baby, please don't go. I think you should stay with me. And I really get what the love songs are talking about. Oh, and I just wanna tell her how I feel, scream it out loud. Have you ever been in love? Have you ever lost your head? Have you felt like you were out of breath when you saw her in that dress? When your heart is beating fast and you're sweating and you can't stop looking at her smile, then you've been in love. That's how you know you've been in love. Turn me upside down. I just don't know what to do. I wanna spend the night with her, bring her one of my t-shirts so it smells like her perfume. Have you ever been in love? Have you ever lost your head? Have you felt like you were out of breath when you saw her in that dress? When your heart is beating fast and you're sweating and you can't stop looking at her smile, then you've been in love. That's how you know you've been in love. Like a raider in the dark, I'll be coming to light your spark. No need to hide, baby, no need to doubt. When you face a closing door, I'll be showing you so much more. When you need it, know that I'll be around, not leaving. When you need it, when you need it, when you need it. You still got no words, and that goes with her. We'll take some time to put it right. But even if the walls come down, I'll be taking you to higher ground. And peace of mind will be alright, yeah. I know that in the darkest hour, right there in the deepest night, I'm gonna try to make it right, yeah. And I'll take your pain, baby, I'll wear it out like a raider in the dark. I'll be coming to light your spark. No need to hide, baby, no need to doubt. When you face a closing door, I'll be showing you so much more.
Yay! Just finished the shoot. 2 cameras comparison.
It's gonna be good.
Yay! Stay tuned. Yeah.